Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Bella here from Rach and Bella Crafts, and I'm in my crafty studio, Bella's crafty studio. So welcome, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. It's beautiful here. The sun has come out. I've had to shut the blind because it was stretching right across the table, but here we go. Anyway, she's all done. She's all finished and completed. So there we go. Here she is. So let's do the measurements first. So from edge to edge, I would say that is 14 centimeters from here to the edge of the page there. Maybe 14 and a half centimeters stretching across. And then I would say it's about 21 centimeters from there to there. Okay, and then the spine, if you want to know the spine, I'm moving the things around now, taking me ages to set this up, that is 3 centimeters. So that's the measurements. That's the back. As you can see, I've left all the strands. I put two lovely, or three actually, of these forgotten what they're called, but never mind. Do you know, my memory's getting worse. I don't know whether we're trying to carry too much around in our heads. I don't know what it is, but my memory is shocking. So I hope you're doing better than I am. So anyway, there we go. There's the front. There's our tabs. And you've seen this a few times now, so I'll just whip through this now. And I'll just open the ribbon. And here we go. So we've got two signatures and then loose. I know it's unusual, I know it's different, but they are loose and they were so easy to work on. It was unbelievable. So that's the signatures. That's the inside. That says to Belle from Edith Holden. And that says Edwardian Lady, and there's her name there. Okay, so I'm going to leave that like that, and we'll do them one at a time, I think. Just checking them in frame. All right, so I'm not going to say too much as we go through this. I'm just checking. No, I haven't. I haven't got my right glasses on. I thought not. I've got my long distance glasses on. I couldn't understand why I couldn't read anything, but never mind. Here we go anyway. So this is a quick flip through now. Now she's completed. Lots of butterflies. If there's too many, it can always be covered up. I'll take that out. That's what goes in that page there. Some washi tape there. Okay. I hope you're all well. I love this page. It's quite tactile. Everything's tactile on this page. There we are. I hope I'm not going too quickly, but you've seen most of it. There's a couple of things in there. I've still got to put... I put it in the envelope. I'll show you in a minute. I'll take it back out. I've been messing about this afternoon, so... That's quite heavy, that. There you go. Little tab there. Lots of stitching, as I've said 100 times, all the way through, and lots of strands. And this is what I've made this afternoon. So I've made a Tim Holtz. And that was meant to go in that pocket, so whoever can decide whether they want it there or whether they want it, and that's what I've done on here. These are all out of the Edith Holden book, the one, you know, with the autobiography. I'm never quite sure which word is correct for that, so biography or autobiography. So that goes on there. Excuse me. That's something I found in my stash. There. On corrugated cardboard. So that's the first one. This is the second one. With me stitching. This will be going in my Etsy shop later today. So if you're interested, just pop along to Rach and Bella Crafts Etsy shop and you'll find her in there today or tomorrow. She is different. She's quite different to what I normally do. Quite grungy. Oh, this is another one that I've just done. Excuse me. And these are all original pictures out of the book. I've just popped in there. Just for some interest. And that's a Tim Holtz vellum, I think. Yes, it's not tracing paper, it's vellum. It's a... There we are, that way. I confess I did put that upside down, but never mind, doesn't matter. When you take it off, you don't notice. There we go. So that's on there. I hope you're all enjoying the collaboration. I haven't seen today's yet. I've been busy trying to get this finished. So, oh, that was something. Now that's on fabric. That when I did the collaboration, I was playing all day doing on fabric. So that's one of those. That's the glassine bag in there. Stitching again. Little collage on here. And that's her daddy, her father. And I just put that little one on there out of Rachel's as a homage to Rachel. And they're originals as well out of the book. You can either put them that way or you can put them that way. So there we are. Almost done. And that's one I did today. Just a little collage on that page. Finish that page off. And there she is. Quite different. I love this. All I've done is play with them. So you either love them or hate them. And I happen to love them. So, and thank you, Rose, for your lovely comment. That was much appreciated today. I did see it. So thank you very much. Not doing very well with this cloth, am I? So there we are, all done and dusted. And that's the introduction. The only thing I've got left to do, which I will put in, I've got some special papers for it, is the thing that I read out in from the Wikipedia about her life story. So I'm going to print that on very thin paper, and that will be included in the envelope. So I hope you like it. And that was just a quick flip through for you to see, but she is now done. So have a wonderful day wherever you are. Stay fit, stay well, and just love each other as much as you can. Take care now. Cheerio. Bye.